Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video of things I bought when I had way too many juice boxes, we're going to be installing the AFE D.A.S, so the dynamic air scoop. So this is a hard plastic dynamic air scoop that comes in a bunch of different colors that replaces your factory hood scoop here, and it's all solid rigid material. The theory is it helps improve flow into your air box for your air filter, and most of our aftermarket air filters do still use the factory scoop here, so we're going to be replacing that with the AFE one. Now in theory, do I think it's really going to do a lot? I don't think so. I think it's going to be cool to add a little bit of red in here, and that red does match the red on the engine cover as well as the red battery cables, so it's a nice little red pop to the engine bay. But rigidity on this part, it's going to replace this little rubber flappy part here, and cool factor, bonus. Anyway, installation super simple. First thing is we're going to do is we're going to go down here and remove that 8mm screw that's attaching the scoop itself into the factory bottom lower air box. Then we're going to get in here and take off these two push pins, pull this guy out, and this guy just pops right into place. You got your two push pin positions right there. Use your factory screw to screw this guy into the air box, and boom, we're done. So let's get the camera set up and rock and roll with this quick one. All right, again, new microphones. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and zip this guy off down here. Hopefully I can get my hand on that screw. Woo! Dropped it, but it fell straight. Jesus. Dropped it, but it fell straight through. There we go. That was a series of bad events. I also dropped this guy, and that guy shot my socket off way the hell over here. I'm a mess. All right, cool. Got our screw off. We're good on that guy. Let's also get these push pins off. These are pretty tough. These are the ones that came with the Cobb shroud here, so they're pretty new, which means they usually have all those little fins still attached to them, but we're good there. That stuff's all popped off. Then we can just give this guy a little yank, and it pops off. So it's just little pressure pins that just pop into the factory air box. Now we got to put this guy out of the way. All right, so we got these guys side by side. When you look at them, it does look like the AFE does move a little bit more volume, but at the end of the day, the end outlet here is the same size. So you can only put so much air into that air inbox, no matter how big the opening is, but these are the same exact size. It's just, this is all one piece, so maybe it just helps it flow a little bit better. Again, cool factor, we're gonna go with this guy. All right, so in theory, this guy should pop right into here. Oh, just like that, that's easy. And then we just do this. Let's push these guys in. Now the kit comes with some of these guys, but I'll reuse them and throw those into my stash. That where it goes? Yeah. All right, so that will hold it into place. Then we get our screw, we make sure we don't drop that. All right, record time on this project without dropping a bunch of shit. All right, that guy is going nowhere. So here is the final kit. There you go, you got a red scoop. Kind of ties in with my letters there. Pulls into the air inbox, gives you a little red pop underneath the hood. Not crazy much, but again, it's all flat, hard, solid plastic here, whereas the factory one's got this rubber seal, which I've heard on some vehicles can collapse and end up popping up and blocking your intake, kind of like that. Not gonna be an issue with this guy. So if anything, we did prohibit that from happening. It looks a little bit bigger, but at the end of the day, it's cool. AFE D.A.S scoop is installed. Took all of about 2 seconds to do. Remove the factory push pins, remove the 8mm screw down there, pulled the factory scoop out, put the new one in, put our 8mm back in, put our two tree clips in here, done. And this was a delay because I dropped a bunch of stuff, but be careful with that screw. But if you do drop it, it actually did kind of fall out right in front of that tire. But anyway, this is a really quick one. Don't shop and drink, because this is the kind of stuff that happens. But with that said, thank you very much for watching. I will leave a link to this guy down in the description below. Appreciate it. Trying to keep a lot of these movies that I'm releasing in the future here kind of short form, but I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a good one. Peace.